what do you recommend to create a balance between these two?
So respecting your gut is what. Then another aspect of gut which is there, which I like to say here, is the gut microbiota. What is that? That is the microorganisms or the bacteria, various types of bacteria, viruses and fungi, which together are called gut microbiota. They are there in the intestines. So we need to have a diet which is which comprises of variety of foods, like because gut में जो bacteria है वो भी different हैं. And if we tend to eat a diet in only one, like हम सिर्फ एक ही तरह का खाना daily खाते हैं, we are not including the variety of things, so the entire ratio of the gut bacteria gets skewed. अगर वो ratio skewed हो गया, so we will not have the bacteria which are able to digest. सपोज मैंने रोटी खाना छोड़ दिया, आई एम नॉट नाउ, मैं बैक्टीरिया जो रोटी डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए मेरे को हेल्प कर रहे थे, मैं नहीं खाती हूँ, वो गेहूं बिल्कुल ही स्किप कर दिया. सो दोज बैक्टीरिया ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम द रेशियो विल गेट स्क्यूड, एंड when I introduce it later, I'll have a problem in that. Okay. So always a healthy diet is one which has got a variety of food. That's why we say जो भी आप खाना खाओ वो सारे सेगमेंट से ध्यान देके कि इट शुड हैव सम सीरियल्स, इट शुड हैव सम लेग्यूम्स, इट शुड हैव सम फ्रूट्स, इट शुड हैव वेजिटेबल्स, nuts, seeds and dairy products if permissible for you. So you should include the food from all the segments, right, which are very important for the gut health, जिससे कि हमारे सारा जो gut microbiota है एक अच्छे रेशियो, वो अपना प्रॉपर एक रेशियो मेंटेन कर पाए. एंड एट द सेम टाइम गिविंग द गट अ फूड विच इज हाईली प्रोसेस्ड, हाईली ओवर, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ओवर कुक्ड, वेरी ऑयली फूड, बैक्टीरिया डोंट लाइक दैट. बैक्टीरिया मे बी इनिशियली वी आर डाइजेस्टिंग दैट, लोग खाते हैं, कहते हैं हम तो ठीक रहते हैं, हमें तो कुछ नहीं होता, but over a period of time you will experience the ill effects of those things. So avoid highly processed foods, very oily food, that should be avoided. Then another thing which contributes to the gut health is stress. जो stress होता है वो किसी भी form का stress है, so that is bad for the gut health. Okay. Then water intake, proper hydration, we have to maintain that to have a good gut health. Hydration should be maintained, sleep should be proper, a certain amount of physical activity, that is again important for the gut health.
Right. So आपका कहने का मतलब है कि brain has a direct connection to gut, but then gut has, I mean, that is a good connection, right? That's a good connection. But the gut and the tongue connection is not good. Because if you're eating something or your taste which is not healthy, for which the bacteria doesn't accept in your stomach, that's not good for you.
I think that's the biggest irony. जो जीव को जो स्वाद पसंद है वो पेट को पसंद नहीं है. पेट को वो बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है जो स्वाद हमारी जीव को पसंद है. And that's a dilemma with which the people are struggling कि टेस्ट के लिए खा लिया, but then they are coming with those various type of stomach related issues कि हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते देख के, but the after effects they have to then bear with.